Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the name of your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app and tap on your iPhone's current name. It is at the very top of the settings. You may have to enter your Apple ID here to continue. As you can see, your phone's name is at the top here. Tap on the first option, Name, Phone Numbers, Email. Then tap on the first option again where it says your phone's current name below Name. On this page you can change your first, middle and last name. Tap Done at the top when you are finished. As you can see, all of the places where it said my phone's name before have now been changed to my phone's new name. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.